Word up like this. This the new joint. You don't stop. Yeah. Dance effects with the real hip hop. To the hip hip, the hop. You don't quit. Dance effects and we came to rip shit. To the hip hip, the hop. You don't stop. Dance effects with the real hip hop. To the hip hip, the hop. You don't quit. Dance effects and we came to rip shit. To the hip hip, the hop. You don't stop. Dance effects with the real hip hop. To the hip hip, the hop. You don't quit. Dance effects and we came to rip shit. To the hip hip, the hop. You don't stop. Dance effects with the real hip hop. To the hip hip, the hop. You don't stop. Dance effects with the real hip hop. To the hip hip, the hop. You don't stop. Dance effects with the real hip hop. To the hip hip, the hop. You don't stop. To the hip hip, the hop. To the hip hip, the hop. You don't. To the hip hip, the hop. You don't stop. To the hip hip, the hop. You don't stop. Dance effects with the real hip hop. To the hip hip, the hop. You don't quit. Dance effects and we came to rip shit. To the hip hip, the hop. You don't stop. Dance effects with the real hip hop. To the hip hip, the hop. You don't quit. Dance effects and we came to rip shit. To the hip hip, the hop. You don't stop. Dance effects with the real hip hop. To the hip hip, the hop. You don't quit. Dance effects and we came to rip shit. Yeah. Well, on your mark and get set. Can't forget to go. In case you didn't know, the flow is fat like Joe. Yo, you nigga, they know that I'm back, man. You whack, man. I eat a rapper like a Pac-Man. I figured you bring it straight from the cellar. Forella, packing more hits than Lupinella. I swallow, nigga in his eye. If he test me, you don't impress me. Yo, books kick the rest. G. One time. Hey yo, what up? The crew bringing the ruckus, no doubt. We's the roughest dream team, reign supreme like the cutlass getting duckies. The dope, you can't touch the flow. It's me, the nigga with G, the B double O K S. So say yes and bust your caliber when I pop shit and rock shit like Metallica. Stakes through the hearts of them snake fake niggas. Them all up in my face, jealous of my take niggas. So honey, shake your fingers and show me what you got. Dance effects with the real hip hop. Hip hop to the hip hop, you don't stop. Dance effects with the real hip hop. To the hip hip, the hop, you don't quit. Dance effects and we came to rip shit. To the hip hip, the hop, you don't stop. Dance effects with the real hip hop. To the hip hip, the hop, you don't quit. Dance effects and we came to rip shit. Next nigga in the walk, hope he got bold and reviews and smoky. Hope you know what's going on. Quickly head question, lead rushes on your body. My name is feel like Rodney. Howdy, I'm back up in the ass like what? The roof pushing you like howdy. Allow me to introduce myself and my peeps. Straight from the sewer, saying truth to the street. When it be me crazy, bringing up the rear. I swear, got to hold it down, yeah. So there, now let me crack a man, kick my feet up, turn the heat up, making smoke all the weed up. Kids I eat up, with a style that's the newest. My crew is getting more run than Carl Lewis. From the sewer, now you see me on the top. So stop, and recognize the niggas on your block. To the hip hip, the hop, you don't stop. Dance effects with the real hip hop. To the hip hip, the hop, you don't quit. Dance effects and we came to rip shit. To the hip hip, the hop, you don't stop. To the hip hip, the real hip hop. To the hip hip, the hop, you don't quit. Dance effects and we came to rip shit. It's irrelevant, it's delicate to the texture. This style of mine is well defined like Pepsi. Ain't a bad nigga roar from the doors and the temperature. But when I get stuck like Sharon from Slipper, equipped to rickety rip the microphone to shreds. Come on, come and hit these niggas in the head. Connect my rhymes like Lego, so let go my ego. I burn you like Waco, you need more than Mako. I take it to your crew and keep it moving like a U-Haul. I made a schoolyard, I'm back like U-Ball. I throw a screwball and strike out the MC. And if he tempts me, I knock him out like Jack Dempsey. I burn some sensei to chase it with a Guinness. The illest, hit me with the hook because I'm finished. To the hip hip, the hop, you don't stop. Dance effects with the real hip hop. To the hip hip, the hop, you don't quit. Dance effects and we came to rip shit. To the hip hip, the hop, you don't stop. Dance effects with the real hip hop. To the hip hip, the hop, you don't quit. Dance effects and we came to rip shit. Word up. Clap it up for Das Effects in the motherfucker. Representing hip hop.